got off on McKinley. You are going to...
Take the next right onto West Atherton Drive.
Yep, you're going to take a right on Atherton Drive. This is what it looks like. It's not bad.
Continue for half a mile.
Alright, so we have a half a mile. It looks like they got a whole bunch of home stuff that's been under construction, but really it's open enough for you to get your RVs through.
There's a good food truck right there.
Yeah, there's food trucks right here. That's a nice one. So you're just going to continue straight. Alright, so it squishes down to one lane. And then you're going to come to a traffic circle. And you're...
Yeah, this is narrow.
Yeah, this is narrow.
Big rigs, man.
So if you get a big rig, you know, just take your time. At the traffic circle, you're going to take a right here onto Woodward. So it's like the first right. And you're just going to go down this road for about a mile. All right. So about a half a mile in, you come to this stop sign. There's a little housing area here that's called the Oakwood Shores, and you're just gonna go straight, not taking any left or righties. But you see, it's like starts to get a little narrow right here. It's okay, keep going. All right, you come up here, and you get kind of a tight curve here. It's all right, curving around,
Real tight.
real tight. See the little map here. We're just gonna follow it around. Okay, you're gonna see an RV park. Don't panic! That's not the Thousand Trails. It's a different one.
These bushes are over.
It's called the Island something or other RV park.
Yeah, it's...
Alright. Then the road gets a little more narrow here.
And the trees are way over.
Yeah, the trees start right here when you make this turn. This is where the trees... Now, it looks like they've just trimmed them just recently. But this is, I think our antenna went bonk bonk once. But if you drive in the middle, you can avoid most of that stuff. And it's not a busy road, so there's hardly anybody on it. So you can sort of drive in the middle until you get to where you need to here.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. That's just about the worst of it, was that area there. And we're just going to keep going down this road. And there is just some really nasty things right here. And there's no signs, but it's okay. You can go by this nasty neighborhood here.
Well, a lot of people live in this house.
Yeah, lots of people live in that one house.
In 1,000 feet, slide left.
Alright, so you can tell my GPS is on. So just Google Maps takes you right there. You see this nice green fence. I was thinking, oh, that's great. But then you see the Thousand Trails, Turtle Beach. Keep to the right.
Slide left, then slide left.
And then you need to take this left ramp up.
Here we are.
Here we come.
Slide left, then your destination will be on the left.
Now you need...
Okay, so pull into the check-in. So when you come to check in, come up here, pull in, don't panic, because there's a circle here.
In 500 feet, turn left.
This is the building that you check in, if there's somebody in there. All right, so you can stop, check in. It just does a loop. You have to have a gate code to get through the gate. So that's why you have to do your check-in.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
All right, now, If you don't do the check-in, or you don't want to do the check-in, then, as this sign says, you can do like we did when we first came, but stop right where it has this yellow bump and then do your check-in, because you can't get through that gate without a gate code. Okay, you see this black box that is right here by this truck? When I went to check in, the lady said, oh, well, here's some good sites, but what you have to do is you have to go to this sign, and in that little black mailbox looking thing to the left, that's where you'll find your package with all of your paperwork and your car pass and all of that stuff. And that's how you get into the park. All right, we just arrived at Turtle Beach, and weirdly, you have to stop and block the traffic in order to get your package in the gate code, and then you can go in. Probably should have hung back like that guy did and pull over and stop there. Anyway, we are in site A5, and it looks pretty nice. There's a few campers around us. All right, so just right here in the campground, just walk up our little dirt road, and this is the San Joaquin River. Walking. Anyway, it's called the Turtle Beach Fish Camp, probably because you can go fishing, I would think. Sure looks pretty though, doesn't it? Sky's nice and blue. Looks like a lot of tent sites there. And then they have a whole bunch of hookup sites on this side too. Here we go. Well, they got a nice little sandbar. So this is on the back side of the RV park. They call this Riverview tent site area. And this is sand. Sandy area right down to the river. I bet you they got lots of fish in there. Sun's starting to go down too. How pretty that is. Seashells. Must be. Yeah, look at this green, bleh, real green mossy stuff. But it's pretty. I don't know, I can't imagine somebody mucking around in it, but sun's starting to go down. All right. Just like right in the middle of the camp here. We're walking down the road and we see these. We were like, what is that? Oh, I know what that is. Somebody spit watermelon seeds and they actually grew right here in this campsite. Isn't that funny? You think the critters would come for it. All right, let's continue my walk. Here's a little inlet. That's the clubhouse right there. So anyway, this river just flows right there. There's a guy tenting right there on the waterway. And then up above, this little brim, it looks like people are doing four-wheelers. Yeah, here they come.
Yeah, look at these guys.
Yeah.
They like to flip off the road and go down the hill.
Yeah. Looks like they're having fun. Yeah, that's kind of fun, isn't it? Yeah, looks like a little spillway. Here's a boat launch. It's closed right now, but you can like put a kayak in there. And then over here, they got a fish cleaning spot. You can clean your fish. Alright, so This is the lodge area. Got a nice pool table. They have some eating tables. They have a TV, a little sitting area. Let's see. Wednesdays, 10:30 to 11:30. Advertising. Have a nice clean bathroom here. This is the check-in welcome area. There's the front deck. That's the entrance.
Hi, remember me?
There's cats all over roaming about the park.
This kitty likes
This one's really friendly to Curdy.
Yeah.
You can see they do have a lot of space in between each one of the places. You can see there's a big tiffin in here. So I would say it's big rig friendly. It's just getting down the kind of narrow road as you're coming in. That's the only part. But the park itself, very open, wide, lots of space, beautifully on the river. Ducks on the water there. So I can see them closer. Oh yeah. Aren't they cute? Swimming around. It's a nice day today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Here comes the train. Did you like and subscribe?